Sir, good evening po. Ito po yung project scenario ko, creating a C++ Mobile Legends tournament with combining without repetition and exception handling. Every 6 months, ISK chairman in Pio hosts a Mobile Legends tournament between several local teams including Echo, Onyx, Aurora, and Blacklist International. So to make the event fair and efficient, each team should fight every other team once. That is, there should be no repeated matchup and no team should face itself. So si Jay, isang IT student na inassign ng SK chairman para mag-create ng C++ program capable of automatically producing the schedule. J chooses an as in a mathematics combination without repetition. For example, should four team exist, Echo, Onyx, Aurora, Blacklist International. So J adds exception handling to make the program safe and user-friendly. So this program will show this if you put fewer than 4 teams. So invalid input, there must be at least 4 teams. So empty team name check. If any of the team name is empty, this will show in the program. Error, team name cannot be empty. So writes a function to generate the matchups by looping through the list and pairing each other team with those that comes after it. So the program should produce the pairing like this: Echo versus Onyx, Echo versus Aurora, Echo versus Blacklist International, Onyx versus Aurora, Onyx versus Blacklist International, Aurora versus Blacklist International. So he also tries entering only one team. So yung output is invalid. Input, there must be at least 4 teams. So J tries to enter a name or duplicate names. As expected, the program catches an error. Error, team names must be unique. So the precise schedule makes the tournament run smoothly. After being impressed, the SK chairman chooses to use the program again for ML tournaments every 6 months. Jay feels like he's done. He gained knowledge of how to solve a real world scheduling problem using C++ combinatorics and exception handling features, which will undoubtedly be useful to him in the future software project. So, ito yung ito yung code na ginawa ko. Ito siya. So, i-run natin. So, pag nag-enter tayo ng below 4, i-show siya ng there must be at least 4 teams. Tapos, pag naglagay tayo ng empty name, so the error team name cannot be empty. So, lumitaw nga. Dito naman is lalagay natin is magkaparehong pangalan. Echo, so Echo. Oh, error team names must be unique. So, yung program is na-read niya yung error. So, yung kalalabasan naman ng wait. Kalalabasan niya is ito. 4. Tapos, Echo. Tapos, Onyx. Tapos, yung Aurora. Tapos, Blacklist International. Blacklist International. So, yun na. Tapos na yung program natin. At thank you po sa panonood, sir. And good evening po ulit.